Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where luxury meets the open road. I am your host, and today we are doing something truly extraordinary. What you are looking at right now is not just a vehicle, it is a rolling palace, a moving masterpiece, a dream on wheels. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Luxury Concept Motorcoach, and trust me when I tell you, nothing on the road today even comes close to this level of pure automotive ambition. So buckle up, because this is going to be one of the most breathtaking reviews we have ever done on this channel. Let us start with the exterior, because the moment this thing enters your field of vision, your jaw simply drops. Rolls-Royce has taken the iconic double-decker format and completely reimagined it for the future. The body is finished in a flawless gloss Arctic white pearl paint that shifts and glows under different lighting conditions, giving it an almost supernatural presence on the road. Up front, you have that commanding wide fascia featuring the signature Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament sitting proudly at the center, flanked by razor-sharp LED daytime running lights that cut through the air like laser beams. The front windshield is an enormous wraparound panoramic unit, deeply tinted in smoke black, stretching from pillar to pillar across both decks, which gives the coach an aggressive, futuristic face unlike anything the brand has produced before. Moving down the sides, you have continuous floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows running the full length of the coach on both levels, framed in polished chrome trim that catches the light beautifully. The lower body features a sculpted graphite satin diffuser panel running the entire length, contrasting perfectly with the white upper body. At each corner sit custom-forged 24-inch multi-spoke wheels finished in satin black with polished chrome lips, and each one carries the Rolls-Royce RR crest at the center cap in gold. These are wrapped in ultra-low-profile performance tires that give the coach an incredibly planted, confident stance despite its grand scale. Around the back, a full-width LED light bar in ice blue stretches across the entire rear fascia, and the rear glass wall offers a tantalizing preview of the illuminated lounge within. Every panel gap is surgical, every surface is smooth, and every detail whispers of obsessive craftsmanship. Now let us step inside, and this is where the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorcoach truly separates itself from every other vehicle on the planet. The moment those hydraulic doors glide open and you step up, you are greeted by a cabin that feels more like a five-star hotel penthouse than a vehicle interior. The main lounge on the lower deck features deep-set individual seats wrapped in hand-stitched cognac and cream full-grain leather, each with heating, cooling, and full recline capability. The floor is covered in a thick custom-woven carpet, and the walls are lined in hand-polished dark walnut burl wood panels with inlaid chrome detailing. The ceiling is a full starlight fiber optic canopy, thousands of tiny LED points embedded in deep navy velvet, creating the sensation of lying under a night sky. Moving further back, the master bedroom suite is fitted with a genuine king-size bed dressed in white goose-down bedding and silk pillowcases, a padded suede headboard in midnight navy, and motorized blackout curtains over the panoramic window. Adjacent to the suite is the private kitchen galley, featuring marble countertops with gold vein detailing, a built-in professional espresso machine, an induction cooktop, wine refrigerator, and custom walnut cabinetry with recessed brushed gold hardware. Everything is purpose-built, bespoke, and finished to a standard that makes even the finest private jets look ordinary. Upstairs on the second deck is an open-sky lounge with 360-degree panoramic views, deep lounge sofas, a media wall, and a cocktail bar. This coach is not just transportation, it is a destination in itself. Now let us talk performance, because beneath all that luxury lies a very serious powertrain. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorcoach is driven by a twin-electric motor setup producing a combined 1,200 horsepower and an absolutely staggering 1,800 Newton-meters of torque delivered instantly and silently from a standstill. The coach rides on an advanced air suspension system with active electromagnetic damping that continuously reads the road surface and adjusts in real time, so passengers inside feel almost no movement whatsoever regardless of the road conditions beneath. The ride quality is so smooth it has been described by early test riders as floating on a cloud. Acceleration is genuinely impressive for a vehicle of this scale, capable of reaching 100 km per hour in under 6 seconds, and it has a governed top speed of 160 km per hour. The range on a full charge is rated at approximately 500 km, and the coach supports ultra-fast charging that can replenish 80% in under 45 minutes. The driving cockpit itself is a technological showpiece, with a fully digital curved instrument cluster spanning the entire dashboard, a heads-up display projected onto the windshield, AI-assisted autonomous highway driving capability, a 360-degree camera system, and adaptive cruise control with intelligent lane management. The driver sits in a hand-stitched leather racing-inspired seat with full lumbar support, and the steering wheel is a flat-bottomed unit in perforated leather with integrated touch controls. This is not just luxury, this is luxury with genuine engineering substance behind it. And finally, the price. If you are asking, you probably need to brace yourself, because the 2026 Rolls-Royce Luxury Concept Motorcoach is positioned in the ultra-premium bespoke market, with the base configuration starting at approximately $3.5 million. Fully optioned examples with the master bedroom suite, upper sky lounge, extended range battery pack, and the full bespoke exterior color program are expected to exceed $5 million. Rolls-Royce has confirmed production will be strictly limited to 50 units globally per year, making this one of the rarest and most exclusive vehicles ever built. Every single coach is individually commissioned, hand-assembled, and personally signed off by the chief designer before delivery. So there you have it, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Luxury Concept Motorcoach in full detail. Is it the most extraordinary vehicle ever created? Honestly, it might just be. It redefines what a coach can be, what luxury on the road actually means, and it does so with the confidence and authority that only Rolls-Royce can deliver. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about this rolling masterpiece. Until next time, stay classy and keep driving in style.